So third sum of practice set 3.3. So write down practice set 3.3, third sum. Find the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350. Sum of even numbers. So how will be even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on.
1, 2, 350. So 1 is excluded and even 350 is also excluded. Between said. When they say between 1 to 350, तो उसके बीच में आने वाले. These two ends are excluded. So 350 we are not supposed to take. So what will be the last term? It will be 348. Correct? So this will be your AP.
But which 3? Why didn't we took 350?
Because they have said between 1 and 350. They say 1 and 350 between. When they use the word between, then in between these two, between 1 and 30, this two, when I say for example, which are the station between Borivali to Bhayandar, so we say Daisar is there, Mira Road is there. So we don't say Borivali and Bhayandar. So in a similar manner, when we say between 1 and 350, so obviously we are going to exclude 1 and 350. So, okay, 1 as it is,
okay,
is odd number. So we will start with this. इसका तो कोई question नहीं, but here it will be 348. So what will be your T1? That is A. It will be 2. T2 will be 4. T3 will be 6, and so on. I don't know which will be the term this one, but I will denote it Tn. Tn is equal to 348. So first let us find out n. Then we will find out the sum of it. Correct? So for finding the Tn, we must know the common difference. So let's find out that also. Common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. So that is 4 minus 2. It is 2. So I am having A is equal to 2. D is equal to also 2. So I can find out Tn. Tn is also given, so I can find out n from it. So let us use the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So that means 348 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into difference is also 2. So I have substituted Tn ka value, I have substituted A and I have substituted D. So 348 minus 2 is n minus 1 into 2. So 346 is equal to n minus 1. Now children, this 2 is in multiplication. Let me take here, let it come to division. This will become n minus 1. So now do the cancellation. Here it will be 173. So you have 173 is equal to n minus 1. So 173 plus 1 is equal to n. So that means 174 is equal to n. Yes, we got n. So once you know A, once you know D, then Tn and n. If one is given, the other things can be found. So once you do it, now I see already Tn is given, T1 is also given. So for finding Sn, the second formula which we have done, T1 plus Tn wala, that will be much easier. Of course, you can go for the main formula also, but second formula will be easier. So I am using it. You can use any of the formulae. So let us find out
Miss, how much marks it will come for exam?
Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket T1 plus Tn. So here my n is 174. So there are 174 terms in the AP. So 174 in the bracket. My T1 is 2 and my Tn is 348. Correct?
But miss, n upon 2 is there, no? N upon 2.
So that comes out to be 87. So 87 into 350. So that comes out to be 30450. As the sum is word problem, I have to write the answer also in words. So the sum of all even numbers between 1 and 350 is 30450. Right? So now let us go towards fourth sum. Fourth sum read as in an AP the 19th term is 52 and 30th term is 128. Find the sum of first 56 term.
Miss,
Yes.
your voice is very low.
Okay. So now further we have 19th term of an AP. So 19th term of an AP is T19. So T19 given as 52 and 38th term. So T38, the answer is 128. Find the sum of first 56 terms. So you have to find out S56. So S56 you are going to find out. So now this is what is information given. That means if any two terms are given, then I can find the sum of the other terms also possible. Some manipulations are there with the question. As the question will solve, you will come to know about it. So let us start with, let the first term of the AP BA and common difference D. Let us use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So when you have T19, it will be A plus 19 minus 1 into D. So 52. 52 is equal to A plus 18D. Let it be equation number 1. Similarly, now T38 is given now. So T38 is equal to A plus 38 minus 1 into D. So the answer is given as 128. So 128 is equal to A plus 37D. So this is your equation number 2. Now this much is there, children. We can find out D, A, etc. by solving this. But I'll just show you the shortcut way also. Okay. Now what formula we have for Sn? For Sn we have the formula n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? This is the formula. And what we are supposed to find out? We are supposed to find out S56. So it will be 56 upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus 56 minus 1 into d. So that is nothing but 28 into 2a plus 55d. Correct? Now observe the fantastic things here, children. Here I have 18d. Here I have 37d. What is 18 plus 37? 55. What is a plus a? 2a. So if I add 1 and 2, what I will get? 2a plus 35d, which is this term. So instead of finding what is a, what is d and then doing it, I can directly add 1 and 2 and I can use that result here. So in between, after doing this step, the next step will be adding 1 and 2. Okay. So here, after this, you are going to write down adding.
Hello, Miss.
Equation. Beta.
Miss, how did that 14 came?
Where 14 is there? Nowhere I have written 14. This is 9.
Miss, n minus 1.
T19 is there. This is 19. T19, so
Okay.
is 19, so 19 minus 1. So adding equation 1 and 2. So we'll add equation 1. 52 is equal to a plus 18d and 128 is equal to a plus 37d. When you add it, what you will get? Here it will be 2a plus 55d. And here it is 180. Right? So children, this you give as number 3.
So Miss, we'll substitute this value in the SN. 28 into
Here we will
180.
Directly we will substitute 2a plus 55d का वैल्यू 180. यहाँ पे शॉर्टकट मारेंगे. So After writing this equation 2, you are going to do it. Why you are going to do it? I have shown you by this step. But you first write this and then you start with this. Okay. So this was introspection done by us. So now from here, okay, this much is over. We got here Sn is equal to. Now from here to here, what you are going to write down? S56 is equal to 28 into 180. Reason what you lay down? From 3. So your S56 is equal to 28 into 18. 28 into 18 will be 504. So 504 and one more 0. So you got the answer. S56 is 5040. So the sum of 56 terms is equal to 5040. This is the final answer. 5040. This is 56 terms and it is 5040. Write it down quickly.
Miss,
Beta.
Miss, so what will be the AP?
Children, this is the specialty that without knowing the AP we have found it. If you wanted to know what is AP, then you solve these two equations, simultaneous equation मिलेगा. Solve for it, you will get A and you will get D. Then you can write down AP. So this is what is. I said ना कि you will come to know. The sum ऐसे ही नहीं दिया, उन्होंने manipulate. They have not asked anything. S56 ही पूछा है. Okay, where you are using this formula. They have not asked S29, S50. They have specially asked 56. So this method is the shortest method. Otherwise, if you wanted to know AP, solve this. इसमें से इसको subtract करो. Okay. 2 में से 1 जाएगा तो फिर then you do the subtraction and you will get the value of D and then get the value of N and you can write down your AP. So if you are interested, you can go for it. Otherwise, as for the sum, that is not expected. They didn't ask us to find out AP, they just asked us to find out S56. And number 56 is not एकदम simple सा number के 100 है 200 है 56 in between है तो वो क्यों लिया? उन्होंने भी sum बनाया है ना, so doing it. Okay? So you can get your AP by finding out A and D from solving the equation 1 and 2. Come on, chalo, let us go towards the question number 5 now. Question number 5 is in the form of
Activity.
yes, that is activity. You have to fill up the boxes. So we will be doing it. Sometimes it is given as flow chart also. So I was just observing whether it is flow chart or you are solving. In fact, I can feel in between there are direct answers given. So it's like flow chart also. So anyway, we will be doing the sum. चलो तो करते हैं. Complete the following activity to find out the sum of the natural numbers between 1 and 140, which is divisible by 4. So remember, the number should be divisible by 4. तो आपका माइंड में सेट होना चाहिए 4 से डिविजिबल नंबर कैसे रहे. Okay, so let me make the chart, this activity boxes. Children, as the numbers are between 1 to 40, divisible by 4. So first number which is divisible by 4 will be 4. So between
4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And
चिल्ड्रन हियर ऑल्सो एंड 145, तो 140 को एक्सक्लूड करने का है, दैट शुड नॉट बी इंक्लूडेड. नेचुरल नंबर्स divisible by 4. So which are the natural number divisible by 4? 4, 8, so on. Last number given is 136. See, 140 is also divisible by 4. But when say between 1 and 140, I have to exclude 140. Give an example. बोरीवली और फाइनल के बीच में कितने स्टेशन है, कौन से है? तो विल से दाइसर एंड मीरा रोड. Right, so that way it is. So 4, 8 up to 136. How many numbers? N equal
34.
to, now n equal to, how do we come to know? Come on.
136 divided by 4.
Correct. So let's do that. So to find out how many numbers are there, children, we need to solve it. हाँ, तो डायरेक्टली तो नहीं करोगे, तो यहाँ पे you can think I am keeping a box here, but I am solving it here. So here my A is 4 and D is also 4. ठीक है? T2 minus T1, that is 8 minus 4, that is 4. So A is 4 here. So let me use the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. My Tn is 136. A is 4 plus n minus 1 into D is 4. So 136 minus 4 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. So 136 minus 4 is 132. So 132 is n minus 1 into 4. So 132 upon 4 is n minus 1. So do the cancellation. 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 3s are 12. So 33 is equal to n minus 1. So 33 plus 1 is equal to n. So 34 is equal to n. So children, to fill up this box, I have to do this sum. And after doing it, now I can write down, therefore n is equal to 34. Okay. Now they have asked the box what is n equal to, what is a equal to, and what is d equal to. So let us write down that. So our n is 34. Our A is 4 and our D is also 4. Correct? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that we have used. So 136 is equal to, box में A क्या था? 4 plus n minus 1, D क्या लोगे? 4. So this is the box. Okay, so this is only the sum they have asked. So now we got n is equal to 4. So 34. Now let us use Sn का formula and find out the sum. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now S34, let us find out. S34 will be 34 upon 2 into what was A? 4. And what was 4 minus 1? What was B also? That was also 4. Correct? So 34 upon 2 is 17. और यहाँ पे 2 4s are 8 plus 3 into 4. So 17 into 8 plus 4 3s are 12. So sorry 34 na? Sorry. N is 34. So 34 minus 1. N is 34. So wherever you get N, you have to put 34. So here 34 minus 1. So that is 33 into 4. So 33 4s are 132. So this 17. 132 plus 8 becomes 140. 14 sevens are 2380. So answer, sum of the numbers between 1 and 140 which are divisible by 4 is 2380. Always please write down the answer in word because they are given in the form of word problem. Write it down quickly. Slowly we'll go towards the sixth question now. So sixth question. The sum of first 55 terms of an AP is 3300. Find its 28th term. 55 टर्म्स का दिया है टोटल और आपको 28 टर्म का पूछा है. अगेन चिल्ड्रन, ए क्या है, डी क्या है, व्हाट इज एपी, नॉट आस्क्ड. तो इसमें भी कहाँ ना कहाँ कुछ ना कुछ मैनिपुलेट करके ही पूछा है. दैट इज फॉर श्योर. सो एज एन वन वी विल सॉल्व, वी विल कम टू नो व्हाट एडजस्टमेंट आर डन. ओके, सो वॉट एवर इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन अस, लेट अस राइट इट डाउन फर्स्ट. व्हाट वी आर गिवन, we are given as 38, no, as 55. Sum of 55 term is 3300. So this is the information right. So let first term be AP. Let us write down that statement. Let the first term of the AP be A and the common difference D. Now they are given Sn, so we have to use formula for Sn only. Correct? So using Sn formula only we will get some idea. So let us use Sn का formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S55 will be 55 upon 2. in the bracket 2a plus 55 minus 1 into d. What is the value of Sn given? 3300 is equal to 55 upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus 54 into d. Correct? So 55 upon 2. Now here 2a and here also 54. So I can take 2 common and then a plus 27d. See from here, as both are even numbers, I can 2 person. So why I have taken 2 common? इसको मैं cancel कर दूँ ना, चला जाएगा. So the sums, the things will become easy. So for me, what will be the next part? 3300 is equal to 55 into a plus 27d. कितना easy हो गया, अपन चलाया तो. अब मैं 55 को भी यहाँ पे लेके आऊँगी. So 3300 upon 55 is equal to a plus 27d. So 55 से करो डिवाइड, 11 से करो तो 11 3 जा 11 5 जा, 5 से डिवाइड करो तो 5 6 जा 60 आ रहा है. सो माई 60 इज इक्वल टू a प्लस 27d. बस इससे ज़्यादा मैं सॉल्व नहीं कर सकती. यहाँ पे वापस मैं क्वेश्चन पे जाती हूँ. लेट अस सी व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स आर गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. इन द क्वेश्चन दे से फाइंड 28th टर्म. चलो Tn फाइंड आउट करते. 28th टर्म का क्या कुछ रिलेशन आता है क्या? लेट अस सी. ये अभी तक मैंने ये 1 नहीं लिखा. इफ इट इज इट विल बी यूजफुल. आई विल बी राइटिंग इक्वेशन 1, अदरवाइज नॉट नीडेड. So let me now use formula for Tn. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is a plus t कितना करना है? 28 ना. So T28 will be a plus 28 minus 1 into d. So T28 is equal to a plus 27d. See here, a plus 27d. Direct answer 60 I am having.
We'll substitute the value of
It is
60 in the term.
So let me give this as a equation number 1. Now I'll directly substitute this here. You are correct. So that means T28 is equal to 60 from 1. From 1 we can find out a plus 27d is 60. So we got answer. कुछ भी नहीं है, खत्म हो गया यहाँ पे सम. So answer, the 28th term is 60. So children see, कोई भी टर्म नहीं पूछी थी. Purposely they have asked the things which you can solve or where you will get stuck up. Leave that. This will be somewhere useful. So that is a proper idea. Okay. Now children, let us go to the 9th sum. 7th and 8th sum we will be doing in the next class. 9th sum is somewhere related to it only. So let me do that. I hope everybody has written this. If the 9th term of an AP is 0, T9 is 0 given, then show that the 29th term is twice the 19th term. So we will find out 19th term, we will find out 29th term, and then we will see the relation. कहाँ ना कहाँ कुछ use होगा. See, it is of similar type, and that is why I am changing the order and I am taking this sum. So let us write down. Let the first term of the AP BA and the common difference D. So what is given? T9 is given 0. So let us put in the formula. Tn is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is T9? T9 will be A plus 9 minus 1 into D. So what you will get? A3. This is given as 0. So I will write systematically A plus A3 is equal to 0. Correct? So if I want, I can just write down that A is equal to minus AB if I require. Either ये मुझे लगेगा और ये लगेगा, जो भी लगेगा. I can see, I can substitute one in the terms of other because right hand side 0 है ना, कोई number नहीं है. So this way also, I am not putting any numbers here. When it will be required, I will be substituting it. So this is there. Now what is given? Show that T29 term is twice the 19th term. So let me do 19th term. So T19 is equal to A plus 19 minus 1 into D. So that is A plus 18D. Correct? So अगर मैं ये सब्स्टिट्यूट करूँ, सपोज दिस इज माई 1, A की जगह पे माइनस 8D सब्स्टिट्यूट करूँ तो सो माइनस 8D प्लस 18D. So it comes out to be 10D. See what I am doing? I am getting rid of one of the variable A. So T19 I got it as 10D. Okay. Now let me go to T29. Up till now I have used this and then this. So what is T29? T29 is equal to
twice the term of 19th term.
A plus 29 minus 1 into D. So that is A plus 28D. Now A की जगह पे वापस मैं minus 8D रखती हूँ. So minus 8D plus 28D. So it will be 20D. Now children see. T19 is 10D and T29 is 20D. So is it double? Right? So I can write
Yes, miss.
29 is 20D, which is 2 into 10D, and 10D I can write down as T19. Okay, so this you write down as 2. Where you are written the T19 is equal to 10D, that you write down as 2. So therefore 29th term is twice the 19th term. Right? So see, they don't give any numbers, they give a specific number. They want you to use the tricks without knowing actual AP difference. You are able to find out the things.